Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Oh, go inside. Yes, man. You kill your colleague. Man at a bar. Wicked man. No, you feel like say you want to live. You cannot live this one. Making drink all the gas when you want to drink. God nasty. No, put him in a wheelchair. No, they must do their work. Yeah, man, go do the work. We no business. Him want mercy and he ain't give Big Red no mercy. No, here. All when you are dead, we want your drag or in. Wicked. You see him? What happened? Flick out tight chair. Flash a chair with him.
So be it. So done. Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Jamaica, my people. Some viewers and subscribers, you remember the other day I covered a story, you understand? Involving this lady who work at the St. Hospital, where them say her spouse, common law husband, right after engaging her, my people, manage to come say boom and take her out, then go come say boom drink one heap of substance, my people, down in belly, then go dash himself in a one big old dirty thinking tank, my people. You understand? One did at the time, can't did at the time. Police come there, resident they say I share the video them on the platform, my people, and them do what them want do, them get him out, carry him to hospital and thing. Well, I told you all, say any more update me get pertaining to the story, definitely I will share it with you all. Well, now, my viewers and subscribers, breaking news a hit the attacking boss. Said Thursday gone now, my people. Thursday gone. So Thursday, which was the 1st of February 2024, my people. The same thing dead. You understand? Him dead, gone. So they must say now, people, basically, the substance we him drink managed to take him out. Because remember, you know, as you can see the video there on the front part, my people, that's when him reach at the St. Hospital. And they can see him in a wheelchair and something, and they must say, yo, take him out, bring him in there. Because the people them who you see out there, you can hear them attack, they are co-worker of the deceased, the lady. You understand? You can see how hungry they all were, because basically you hear them scholar, Big Red was their good friend, my people. And them well want him, because them as basically can hear them say the right spot you come, because look here, you now go live. Once you come in for we and you are going, you are go dead. See? So my people, as them say, the substance take him out, my people. You understand? But on a real level, substance, one bad injection, then give him down the kill him. One bad injection. So this is a lesson. So look here. You say doctor and nurses, who don't play with them. You understand we should not play nobody and try to take nobody life at all. But you now, in yourself, feel say now, because in the one dead, you know, because in drink substance and in junk in a tank. But me I say, he want dead or he want try dead. Which one of them people? Because if he really want dead, why in that chose to jump in a one tank we have just look water down at the bottom of it? You understand? You go find one big old tank. How much tank there up a brownstone there? You know what I mean? Because a whole place there brownstone without water, you know, running water, you know, and a whole tank there, you know. You could have find one of them big reservoir there and something and go jump in there for you. You know, you want dead? You want dead or you don't want dead? Me confused. But in dead. See? So when them see him come for them footstep, my people, them say, look here. All right. At the right place to come. Yes, so we want you. Because there's no way. He would have see back road, my people. See back what? See? Well, for me personally, serve him right. Serve him right. Because, you know what I mean, ladies, let me tell you something. Careful of them chucky something here. Because look on all this a sin thing, you know. Nice lady like Big Red take up this a sin thing, you know. Because she didn't love him too, you know, my people. Because when you see the engagement, how she have blush like she want to cry. You understand? And the sin thing managed to take out Big Red life. Right? I want wicked ugly sin thing, you know. Demons, man. But see it, my people, it gone now. You understand? Because you can't basically know, so the friend them, so look here. It nah go so. It nah go so. We just want to write you so and look here. We are going to take you out with self. Not even police, whatever them have, nothing can save you. See? So as me telling them, this is a lesson for all of the man them out there Who feel say look at una can take out 2 man 3 points and do what them want do with them and feel say yo una go manage to come say but man attempt to take out on yourself. Then police take you to a hospital or whatever. Una feel so una go pass through and come back a road. Come back a road. Come back a road. Me say them have everything in this of finishing off. And this is what they did, my people. Gone, gone, gone. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Some people, big up on yourself. And just remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official. I want team, you know. I want dream and I want scheme. Peace out, my people. Blessings. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Attack. Bless up.